So the first one, in terms of a business horror story, is when you've got no inbound leads. So this is when you have your business, which is set up to do whatever it is that you kind of do. You've got your website there, you've got your social media there, but it's not really converting through to inquiries. Because one of the big things that we talk about on the course, and when you draw up your marketing funnel, most people in the world don't know who you are. So the first stage is about awareness. So you're actually still making progress, even if people haven't made the written or inquiry into you. If they just have an awareness of Shy Burns or Global Interview or the roadmap or whichever, you're actually still making progress. But often you don't see that until it kind of rolls all the way through. But actually it's really important to kind of do that. But then basically after awareness, you've got consideration, then desire, and then intent, and then kind of purchase. But the point is there's so many stages on what you're trying to do before people ever actually reach out to make an order. But it doesn't mean it's not working. And one of the things that I've seen with the roadmap, and actually I was at an Epic event this week where I got to see face-to-face some real people for the first time, which is cool. But the thing that I always see is that there are a lot of people that kind of know and see what you're doing. Even if they don't interact with it, they still see it. So you're still making progress, which is really kind of cool. How to fix that kind of business problem? One, it could be that your business is just too early, that you haven't really figured out how to fit your niche. I'd say this is quite rare, but say when the iPad originally launched, it was called something else, and that was 10 years too soon, and people just weren't ready. So it could be that. Chances are it's your positioning in terms of how you're setting up the business, who you're targeting, but in reality, it's probably to do with promotion, that you're not promoting enough, and that your promotion isn't as relevant as maybe it could be. And the way to fix that is to really do something we do on the course, which is basically you look at your customer persona, who's your target customer, what do they do, what do they think about, what do they buy, where do they read stuff, how do you find them? And then actually just start promoting stuff. And one of the best ways to do that is to find a way which allows you to generate content where actually you enjoy doing it, but you can do it every week. Because the whole point is it's the consistency of being able to repeat the same thing week on week. Builds more awareness with more people that actually will then convert into more inbound leads, more consideration, and then through to eventual purchase. This process does take a while, but the point is often, it comes down to advertising and promotion. And one of the things that I'm now looking at with the roadmap is I'm kind of now at the point where I'm going to start paying to advertise, so Facebook ads and print ads in magazines. And it's now with that one, trying to get everything to the next base level of where you're really happy with what it is, how it looks, the product, that you're then trying to accelerate as well. Almost until that point, I've almost always been learning and iterating and learning off the guys. Good morning, Jacqueline. And it's that kind of process of just, doing it. But if you're not getting as many inbound leads and stuff as you wish you were, there are ways to fix it as well. But no, Jacqueline, thank you for getting in touch. I love it when people comment in the chat. And likewise, let me know. Most of these guys are in England or Scotland. But actually, we've had people join from Dubai and India and America and all over the place as well. So please kind of get in touch. I really kind of appreciate that.